Ramadan should not be treated like a light switch which you turn on and you turn off. I mean, this is the reality of what we have been doing in the past. Like a light switch, when Ramadan comes, we turn on the light of our Iman. And we try to do our best. We are praying more, we're reading more Quran, staying up at night. We're trying to do all of these things. And then, when Ramadan is over, and it seems always to go so quickly, the light switch is turned back off. And we're then back in the darkness of our old habits. All of the things that we gave up, whether it was smoking or excessive television or all the various things that we know we shouldn't really be doing, we try to give them up in Ramadan. Shortly after Ramadan, we find ourselves sliding right back into them again. And that is mainly because of the fact that we are approaching Ramadan like the light switch. We turn on the light and we're fired up, then we turn off the light and it's gone.
La ilaha illallah.